What did you discover?
This. Plastic apple, really?
When you grabbed it, what did you think? Did you know it was plastic?
I watched her.
Yeah. I was like this.
She picked it up.
I was like, this is a big apple. Oh, nah, it's plastic.
She like picked it up. She went like this. She tapped on it. And she goes, this is plastic.
What made you think it was plastic?
Because it just felt weird, and when I tapped it, it made the sound.
Let me tell you something though. I've gone in there to get an apple a couple times since we put it in there, and it really is convincing. So I really thought she was gonna.
Yeah, I think the only thing is it's lightweight. It's really light compared to an apple.
Yeah.
But it looks.
I bet if I wouldn't have known, I went to like float in water, it probably. Well, no, it probably.
I bet
still
you.
float.
If we put it back in there, she'd probably forget and go get it one day.
I would remember.
We're a little forgetful around here sometimes.
I bet if I wouldn't have felt it, I would be like, ah.
That's what we were waiting for.
Without you would take a bite of it.
Like at night, I would go and sit on the couch and I'd be like that.
I guess.
Is it real? Mm-hmm. We're in Hallmark and there's a tray of cookies, so I told Alex go get a cookie. She goes, are they real? Yum. Where's mine?
What's your own?
Just walked in Toys R Us. They have big catalogs. The toy book.
Warhead candy canes.
Warhead candy cane. No thanks. It's all you.
No, it's okay. I'm traditional.
So Alex has her Christmas list.
I'm traditional too. You're the only untraditional.
I don't want
Sour
any.
Patch ones.
Is that your Christmas list?
No, because there's a bunch of little kid stuff in here.
Dang, how many choices do we need?
What is it? It's a real game?
Yes, the real slingshot.
They got Angry Birds Star Wars. I just downloaded the game and I just played one level and it's pretty cool.
This one's Angry Birds Space.
Stormtrooper, Darth Vader, Princess Leia.
Oh, that's cute. Oh!
Han Solo. Oh, that's cool.
What's Han Solo again?
He's the one guy that's in the black and white suit type thing.
I don't remember him.
That's cool. That's a game too. Cool. You launch it and stuff.
Have you figured out where we're going for dinner?
Wine Country.
What? No. They changed the name of that place. Do you see anything familiar? I can't see your face at all because it's dark out. We're going to...
Ice cream!
Yeah, we're gonna have ice cream for dinner. We're going to Little Caesars.
Yeah! Let's ban the roof of this place.
What?
Let's ban the roof of this place.
Oh my goodness. So we've had a long day. I had the garage sale again this morning. And then like cleaning up and everything afterwards. And then we had like some things that we needed to pick up and do some shopping and stuff, so we just decided to do an easy dinner tonight, which is Little Caesars, and I thought it sounded good anyway.
Well, the wine building was in the way.
Doesn't it sound good?
Always sounds good.
Always sounds good. And I think we're even gonna spring for breadsticks this time. We usually just get pizza, but I think we'll get breadsticks too. Ah! So yeah, Little Caesars, pizza for dinner.
Speed bump.
Speed bump.
They won't go away.
He doesn't like it.
Trying to scare away.
No.
It sounds like you're doing it on purpose, but you're really not.
Oh, I've tried holding my breath a couple times.
This has been going on for like 5 minutes now.
Oh, that might have done it.
Can I harken to the folks who once
I know it hurts, doesn't it?
Yeah, especially we just ate pizza. I stuck myself.
He is upset. I don't like the noise. I don't like the noise coming from Daddy. I hate getting the hiccups. It hurts so.
I hate it too.
But I don't know that you don't get them very often.
No, not often at all.
I get them all the time. I get them all the time. You can drink a glass of water upside down. We know. Huh?
That don't work.
Yes, it does. I proved it on video, remember? Daddy's not playing right now, Ed. Oh!
Man, that is the worst case of hiccups I've ever seen.
Eddie doesn't understand.
He don't care, he just wants to play.
What? Agger.
Wow.
Ew, ow.
Okay, so we went shopping today. We got our first Christmas ornament of the year. It's I'll show you guys here in a second. It's like a singing house type thing, I guess. Right there. Yeah. Okay, is that not the coolest ornament you've ever seen?
I say that's Michael hanging from the roof.
Yeah, it looks like there's an elf right there hanging. He's kind of just hanging from the roof upside down.
Since you have to do the lights this year, it'll be you.
Yeah, it probably will be. That's so cool. And it's on one of these.
The ladder is on the grounds too.
Yep. This is one of those Hallmark magic cords where you plug in stuff. Like gets plugged in here. So yeah, I don't know if you would hang it on your tree or if you just decorate like a shelf with it. But instead of running batteries, it plugs in, and then you get the power. So I guess that's nice. You don't run out of batteries.
Yeah.
I was having a fit in the store because you have to buy the power cord to run the thing,
yeah.
and we got a whole bunch of these sizes that run off the batteries, little watch batteries, and it's convenient. Because then you don't have to run this cord and plug it in and all that. But then again, you don't have to use batteries and the batteries don't go dead, so.
Now I have that song stuck in my head.
That is such a cool ornament.
Again? Now I'm gonna have to.
I'm gonna play it a lot.
Yeah, that is a good one.
Eddie's amazing.
It's a good Christmas song. Oh, he's been sitting there wagging his tail.
Oh, he just wants attention.
He wants to see too.
What's going on, Ed? What's going on?
You like it? And look at the elf. Can I have some dessert now?
Oh, what did you guys bring home? Did you already vlog it?
No, I didn't.
Oh.
These
Did somebody make them?
My mom. Well, she didn't make them, but
You're
she
not
bought them.
getting any.
These are churros. Which do churros usually have a cream in the middle?
No, usually they're like just sticks.
She said these have a cream, but these are from like an authentic Mexican place. And then she called these elephant ears, but that's not what I would call them. They're just like a pastry.
Oh,
He's sitting on my foot.
Even though he's not getting
You're not getting any of these.
Yeah, I want to try them,
No.
but I'm really not hungry right now, so.
I am, so
Go for it.
open it.
Oh, what do you want? The churro?
I want both.
Oh my God.
I just want to try them.
I want that too.
Look, it's shaped like a heart.
Oh, now is there anything in this?
I don't know. I have no clue. I think it's just pastry. Like flaky pastry.
It's flaky, all right.
Messy.
It's really light.
Yeah.
I think
It's
I'm
just
gonna
like
have
Here,
some.
right.
No,
Break
just
off
take a
pieces.
bite. Yeah, just take some of that one.
It's like really flaky. Really flaky.
I've had those before, but I forget what I would call them. Kind of like a turnover shell, like the pastry part. I've never had a churro.
A little stale. Where the end is.
Stale? Well, it might be because it was just the end.
Here you go.
Can't really taste if there's cream inside.
She said something about there being some cream. I don't know.
I can
I
feel
haven't
it.
tried them yet, so. Bite the other end. You guys are weird. Weirdos. Is it creamy in the middle?
Yeah, I got a little now. Not a lot. Yeah, it's not like a custard cream. It's like if it wasn't cooked all the way in the middle.
Yeah. Interesting. I've never had a churro before. Had you have
I
you
tried
had
to
a
pull it
churro?
out of his mouth. I was like, pretty good.
It's like chewing through like paper. Because it just disintegrates.
So we got some goodies for tonight. Pizza and then pastries, which look at the mess. Oh my goodness.
The 2 peas.